We have seen a lot of new signs because of this pandemic. Here's a sign of good things to come.
Hello, my name is Graham Brown, and I am a director with Aerobiovac Canada, a leader in providing medical-grade air disinfection for our healthcare system. Our society has experienced unprecedented economic disruption due to this pandemic. All Canadians have been impacted, and everyone's story will have some level of personal challenge. As our country moves forward, a national effort is required to reverse the economic impact that this pandemic has caused for all Canadians. Our ability to return to normal will begin with all Canadians' ability to return to work and to help our economy rebound. Returning to work may look very different, and how Canadians have adapted to work from home, the use of technology, and patience that is required to do things differently has shaped a new office model. Office density, hours of operation, and a new hybrid accountability model will be tested for years to come. What will also be impacted are the health and safety measures that will undoubtedly become the new norm as staff, clients, and customers transition back to a new normal in terms of their level of comfort as they attempt to return to an office working environment that pre-existed the pandemic. I would like to take a few minutes to speak with you about how Aerobiovac Canada can help ensure that those leading your organization can provide your employees, clients, and customers with a medical-grade air system solution for your return to work in a safe and healthy clean air environment. A medical-grade air disinfection system that, when combined with your current HVAC and HEPA systems, can ensure that 100% of all airborne contaminants are continuously removed from your office airspace. 7 years ago, Aerobiotics, a U.S. medical device company, was founded by neurosurgeon Dr. Michael Kirschman. Dr. Kirschman and his medical colleagues were concerned with the amount of airborne contaminants that existed in the air during spinal surgeries and the impact this was having on infection rates post-surgery. The result of this medical concern culminated in the pursuit to eliminate all airborne pathogens from the operating room. The result was an invention of the UV germicidal air disinfection chamber technology, a technology that was scientifically designed, tested, and proven and patented to eliminate 100% of all germs, spores, bacteria, and viruses, including the SARS-CoV-2 COVID-19 on a single pass. A technology so effective, it is now used and trusted by over 300 hospitals in the U.S., including the Cleveland Clinic Hospital Network. The key element of the Aerobiotics technology and the science that separates the Aerobiotics medical-grade air disinfection system from all other competitors is the ability to slow down the air and increase the amount of time the air traveling through the system is continuously exposed to the UV ultraviolet light. This delay is referred to as dwell time, and the Aerobiotics technology achieves a dwell time of approximately 6 seconds. This exposure exceeds the dwell time that is scientifically required to break down the RNA chain of airborne pathogens, such as germs, spores, bacteria, and viruses. Included in our technology package is a video that specifically highlights how this technology works and how it has been proven scientifically to eliminate 100% of all airborne pathogens on a single pass. Why is this important? In October of 2020, and in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, Dr. Kirschman and his medical colleagues recognized that this UV medical-grade, UV germicidal air disinfection technology could be used outside of the hospital operating room, laboratory, and ICU environments to help combat this new spread of the SARS-CoV-2 COVID-19 disease. As a result, Aerobiotics began to look at how their technology and their medical-grade air disinfection systems could be used to protect the air quality and transmission of airborne pathogens in indoor environments, such as long-term care facilities, doctors' offices and clinics, classrooms, enclosed residential units such as condominiums, and office environments, especially those office environments that are located in downtown office towers within high-density buildings. Commercial footprints that already have challenging ventilation system structures and which require employees, clients, and customers to enter enclosed spaces for prolonged periods of time. It was in November that the WHO, the World Health Organization, finally acknowledged that SARS-CoV-2 and the COVID-19 virus was not transmitted through surface contact, but was primarily acquired through airborne transmission. This, of course, is now being universally accepted, and as such, air quality and ventilation is now top of concern for indoor spaces, and especially for those that are tied to our economy and the need to return to work. Why is this important to your company and to our ability as a society to return to normal? Our ability to return to work and our need to ensure our economy can rebound is a priority at this time. The constant flow of traffic coming and going in office environments create reduced airflow of fresh air, and constant breathing can lead to the enhanced transmission of germs, bacteria, and viruses. HVAC systems are designed to offer a high level of protection and address in most cases 99.97% of the airborne issues. However, HVAC and all other HEPA air filtration systems cannot capture the 0.03% of airborne contaminants. Those are the germs, spores, bacteria, and viruses that are too small to be captured and must be eradicated in order to eliminate them from the air we're breathing. The enemy lies in the 0.03% and not the 99.97%. In Canada, consumers across a wide range of industries, including school boards, long-term care facilities, all forms of medical practitioners and offices, have invested heavily in purchasing portable air filtration devices. Some are better than others, but none of these filtration systems can address the 0.03% of the contaminated air that the traditional HVAC and HEPA systems are also failing to capture. The 0.03% of airborne pathogens that contain the germs, the spores, the bacteria, and the viruses, which are causing and will continue to cause 100% of the medical concerns associated with poor or inadequate air quality. The goal should not be to implement measures that provide or replicate the same level of protection against the 99.97% of airborne contaminants, but to implement a system that augments the utility of our current air filtration systems and delivers protection against the most harmful of the 0.03% of airborne contaminants. The combination, when used in unison and together, will provide 100% protection against all airborne contaminants now and in the future. There are a number of alternative technologies on the market that claim to address this 0.03% of the particles in the air that represent the real enemy and the challenge to our health and well-being of our working environment. However, none have been scientifically proven to support their claims of effectiveness beyond the 99.97% as delivered by traditional HVAC and HEPA systems. The goal of safely achieving a rate of 100% effectiveness should remain the objective. Some of these alternative technologies can be extremely dangerous and can actually cause more issues than they claim to solve. These include ionizers, plasma systems, and exposed external UVC. Disinfecting the air we breathe and ensuring your office is providing continuous, safe, and healthy medical-grade air for your employees and clients has never been more important. Office air quality is not just a today issue, it's now a forever issue. If you would like more information on how Aerobiovac Canada can help your company return to normal and create a safe and healthy environment for your staff, your customers, and clients, we're here to help. Our technicians will come to your office and do a site plan, do an airflow plan, and they will test the air quality before and after demonstrating the Germ Zone 100 system. Once we've gathered all the information required, our medical air technology specialists will return and arrange a meeting with your team to present our proposal on how best to present and protect your office. Our systems are designed to eliminate the 0.03% and to work in unison with your current HVAC and HEPA systems. Our team look forward to demonstrating how these two air quality systems can work in unison now and for the future. When we welcome our employees back to work, we will be confident that the air in your office is being monitored by the industry's most sophisticated medical-grade air disinfection system. Let Aerobiovac Canada help bring your employees, clients, and customers back with the confidence that your leadership is providing a 100% safe and healthy clean air environment now and for the future. If your goal is to help your business return to normal and your staff, clients, and customers return to the office with confidence, then please call Aerobiovac Canada to speak with one of our medical air technical specialists. Clean air is no longer a today issue, it's a forever issue.